Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to South Padre Island, Texas, where we're about to embark on a scenic bike ride along Gulf Boulevard. This beautiful stretch of road runs parallel to the stunning Gulf of Mexico, offering breathtaking views and easy access to the island's famous beaches. As we pedal along, you'll notice that Gulf Boulevard is the main route connecting the island's many beach access points, making it a favorite path for both locals and visitors looking to enjoy the sun, sand, and sea. South Padre Island is known for its 34 miles of beautiful coastline, and our ride will take us past some of the most popular beach access points. These spots are perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and enjoying the gentle waves of the Gulf. The island's beaches are renowned for their soft, white sand and warm, clear waters, making them ideal for a variety of water activities, from surfing to paddleboarding. Historically, South Padre Island has been a popular vacation destination since the mid-20th century. It was once a quiet fishing village but has grown into a vibrant tourist hub while still maintaining its natural beauty. The island is also a significant stop for migratory birds, making it a great spot for birdwatching, especially during the spring and fall migrations. Thank you for joining us on this bike ride in South Padre Island, Texas. Whether you're here to relax or seek adventure, South Padre Island has something for everyone. Thanks for watching!